Hi, my name is Chuck Carmone. I'm Severian's Alumni Director, and I want to take a minute to show you how easy it is to join our new alumni networking platform called Alumnifire. Just click onto the link provided in the email sent to you, and it'll bring you to this login page. Alumnifire gives us 3 different ways to sign up. You can click onto LinkedIn, which is the most popular option, and by doing that, all your LinkedIn information will be automatically input into your Alumnifire profile. You can also choose to log in via Facebook or just sign in with your own email. I'm going to log in with my LinkedIn account. Now, if Severian has your email address, you'll be automatically registered. If not, you'll be manually approved by me within 48 hours. You can use Alumnifire to offer help, to receive help from a fellow Hawks. Now over here on the right, you can see what services you want to provide. You can mentor a Hawk, make introductions, provide resume reviews, offer job shadowing, etc. And check this out, if you're looking for a job or you want to hire a Hawk, you can use our job board to post. You can even search by employer. Click here to see a list of the businesses currently employing Severian grads, and it'll tell you which Hawks work where. Now let's say you're moving to a new area. You can even take a look at our heat map, and it'll show you where alumni are employed nearby. So say I wanted to move to Philadelphia. Click in, and now I know who works where. We've received incredible feedback from our alumni who have signed up already. I hope you'll take a minute to join us, and if you have any questions or feedback, you can email me and I'll help you figure it out. Thanks for joining us, and go Hawks!